This is the craziest video edit I've ever seen. Here's how to create it with your phone. Let's go. Put your phone on a tripod and throw up your sweatshirt. Then jump up in a second outfit and also film the background a little bit. Open the clips in the CapCut app and split the clip when the sweatshirt's in the air. Split again when the sweatshirt is out of the frame, and another split just when you leave the ground. Then take the plain background clip and pull it in front of the clip where you leave the ground. At this point, it should look like this. Now select the clip where you leave the ground and hit overlay down here. It's gonna create another layer, and now you just pull it to the left under the plain background clip. Hit cut out and then remove background. Now create a keyframe just when you leave the ground, and then pull up your body as high as you want the jump to be. Do the same thing with the other outfit, just starting from the top, selecting your keyframe at the top, and then pulling down to the bottom. Switch over to the Studio app and cut out your sweatshirt. Back to the CapCut app, create an overlay, choose that sweatshirt, set a keyframe, and then set another keyframe matching the highest point of your jump. Export the video, and this is it.